Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenny. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. If you're looking to create stunning professional looking headshots without hiring a photographer or spending hours editing, then you're in the right place, because today I'm going to show you an incredible AI tool that generates high quality headshots in just a few clicks. So whether you're updating your LinkedIn profile, you're creating an online portfolio, or you just need a fresh avatar, this tool would have you covered. So let's dive right in and let's see how easy it is to create your own perfect headshot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I'll encourage you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post out new content. Now let's get started. So the first step is to go to this free AI tool, AIEase.ai. I'm going to leave the link in the description box as usual, so that you can go download it. When you go to the tool, you'll be met with this particular screen or dashboard, and then you get to select which of these photos you want to try, or which of these photos you want. You'll be able to choose your own avatar, or you'll be able to select any of these professional photos. So let's say you want to update your LinkedIn profile photo, then you'll probably be going for these ones on top here, because these ones look like professional headshots. If you are just looking for avatars, if you wanted to have like a faceless Instagram model, then you'll be going for any of these photos that are not for professional use. But for the purposes of this video, I just want to focus on creating a headshot. So I'm just probably going to select this lady here, and then I'm going to upload a photo I downloaded of the internet. So if you don't have a photo, you can just take a photo. Just make sure that it's in this shape. Or you take a photo that doesn't really show your face, or has a very high resolution, or one that isn't having any natural expressions, then most likely you're not going to get the right headshot you want. But yeah, as long as you're having like a frontal portrait, that should work. Then you click on upload. So like I said, I have a photo I downloaded off the internet. So I'm just going to drag that in here. You can choose any aspect ratio you want. So I'm just choosing 1:1. You can decide to go with 9:16, or 2:3, or 3:2, or 16:9. I'm just going to go with 1:1, and then I'm going to click on generate. It does take a while to generate, but once you click on generate, the next step is to sign up as usual. So you go, you can either sign up with Google, or you can enter your own email address and password. I always like it when apps have the option to sign up with Google or Facebook or something else. I just find that that's easier as well. So I'm just going to click on Google, and then I'm going to log in with my account. And then once you do that, you just need to give the app some minutes to transform this photo into a professional headshot for you. Wow, this is really good. This is really cool. It looks so professional. If you remember the photo I had in the beginning, this is the photo I had in the beginning. Basically has transformed this photo into a professional headshot, and I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with the outcome, to be honest. Now, if you want to remove the watermark, I believe they're probably going to ask you to share this photo on Facebook, or on Twitter, or on a different app. But basically, if you have like Canva, or if you have any other tool that allows you to edit photos, then you'll be able to take off the logo as well. So based on the number of photos you generate, if you go to my history, then you'll be able to see some of the photos that have already been generated. See, once you go to history and you download it, you also automatically have the watermark removed. I think this is actually a cool app, because getting a headshot can cost you hundreds of dollars, if not more. So I think this actually would help you save some bucks. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and as usual, leave your comments in the comment section below. Share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.